Hello and welcome to a new series. We're going to be playing through Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition. I've played quite a bit of this, got about halfway through. But yeah, I really want to do a series on this, so let's do it. Hooray! Very underrated game, to be honest. And this music, oh yeah. Yeah, really underrated, I think. Starting to save, obviously. I don't care. Yes. Right, so I've done half this game. Oh, I don't know how much, but I got to the second apartment. That's the furthest I got. And then I reset my computer and I lost the save, so that was clever of me. Square Enix and United Front Games present Sleeping Dogs.
咩啊？攞多錢？搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。明白。情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。嗯，清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個位 Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變。咩啊？有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！揾人截住佢啦！冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點。
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊
Jesus Christ!
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
This is brutal.
好傷害我啊
Oh,
！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
Jesus fucking Christ. That is brutal as shit, man. Right. Here we go! Let's go! Run! Whoa, what the hell? That was weird. Oh, that seems to happen in this game.
You see anyone? I think they're up the wall.
The Steam bit shows up. I don't know why. I mean, it's not like I'm pressing Shift and Tab. Wait! Jump! I find the free running in this game really fun. So glad to finally be recording this. I've been thinking of doing it for ages, I just couldn't be bothered. As normal. I mean, Christ, this is going to be a big backlog, considering... We'll put it this way. When this goes up, it's probably going to be the end of March. And as I'm recording this, a few days ago, there was that whole thing with the white and gold, black and blue dress. That's how long it'll be. It'll be like a month. So yeah, that's a big backlog. But I like to have a big backlog. It means that I never run out of stuff to record. I mean, having stuff uploading once a day is way too much, I found. Ah, shit! We're fucked. Yeah, having stuff uploading once a day, I meant. That's quite stressful, to be honest. Fucking hell. Ah, shit, we got caught.
Hey man, I told you next week. 下個禮拜 OK? OK?
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？
Wait, Shen? It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. You know, 15 years to do that. You know, we're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yee. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Yee. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh, man, I gotta tell Winston that story. You'll fucking love it.
Right in the eye.
Man,
Oof.
Wei fucking Shen in the flesh.
That would fucking hurt.
Can't believe it. Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yee is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Saving the game. Right, we're getting to some
Wait,
gameplay.
Shen? Man,
Yeah,
this
here
is
we
gonna
go.
be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few
So
years
he's actually
back,
working
but I
for the
couldn't find
police,
shit. Do they have
basically.
internet in America?
And he's basically
I think
a
they're getting
spy.
it next year.
Guess you were in prison or
But
something.
from when I was playing the game before, it seemed like
on,
he
let's
was
get out
getting
of
a bit into like all the triads and all the
Still
gang
getting
shit.
used to be?
Yeah.
So I was quite looking forward to. Well, I'm quite looking forward to seeing how the game pans out.
So Winston's a red pole now?
See if you
All
end
this
up.
territory is Winston.
What's in here actually? See if you end up still working for the police or what. Oh God! I don't want to fail the mission. That would be the funniest thing ever.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing.
The graphics are nice. Wait till you see it at night and you look up at all the buildings. The amount of detail.
New faces right now.
It's like, holy shit.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
That could happen to me then, because I'm going to be a rat. But I'm better than that guy.
Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
Oh.
咬底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops.
你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck
Come on, let's fuck him up. Let's fuck him up, Wei. Let's do this shit. Basic combo. Alright. Boosh! Right. Oh, I love that one. You can train. Oh, right. Woo! I love that one. Woo! No. Oh, I love it. Whee! Whoosh. See, I don't normally like martial arts and hand-to-hand combat, but it is so fucking fun in this game. Come the fuck on, man. You guys are nice. Oh, yeah. My favourite thing. It's so awesome. Imagine just like... Oh. Imagine just running around if you saw this in real life. Someone... Oh, wow, I didn't know you could do that. If you just saw this in real life, someone doing this. It would be the funniest shit, man. Oh! Do you mind? Into the loggers! Right, smash these plants, shall we? Oh! God damn, look painful. Holy shit. You fucking what, mate? God damn, that must be so fucking painful. Right, let's take out these fuckers. Oh, have I got to... Stop doing that, you son of a bitch. Right on the desk. Oh, God.
Come on!
Go on, Wei, fuck him up. Do you mind?
Are you done? I'm still here.
Oh, that was weird. Looked like it went right through him there. Oh, this. Oh, didn't mean to do that. This is the best thing about this game, using the environment to your advantage. Oh, God, that must hurt. Oh. Whew.
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns
Oh, and if you
restaurant.
notice, I got a new webcam. I got the Logitech C920, which is fucking pretty top range. Got it pre-owned. It was only
Where the fuck do you
£35,
think you're
which
going?
is a
Relax,
decent price.
man.
Very
This is
good
Wei.
price,
Wei Shen?
and it looks so
I told
good.
you about him, remember? Fuck.
The quality
We can't keep
compared
track
to
of your
the last
bullshit
webcam,
friends,
it looks so
Jackie.
much better.
No outsider.
It
Not
looked
an outsider. He's from old
awesome.
prosperity. Like us. Hoochie all day. Jama. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Oh, prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us.
That's true.
Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Oh, wait a minute. Dang Yatsang, I do remember you. You had a sister, right, Hamaya?
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with dog guys. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎. Where's she now?
Why would you take offense to that? Why do they like...
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊. So,
I forgot what I was going to say. Never
10
mind.
guys, huh? You
I've
feel
got a
this?
habit of that.
It's just crazy.
Keep forgetting what I'm doing.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie,
I'll take care of it.
hang back a second.
Whatever the problem is.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that's everyone's talking about.
Oh, counter. Oh
Like
shit.
that? Think you can fight? I bet
Easy.
you
How about that?
Basically, you complete the game by countering.
That all you got?
shit gets
You gonna back down?
Ouch.
wipe that smile off your face.
Get out of there, you son of a bitch. You ain't got shit. They got nothing on me.
Fight back!
Oh!
Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that?
Hello, boys.
Hello? There's dog eyes.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊?
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓.
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay?
Oops.
We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Ong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man?
What the
Seriously,
fuck?
Wait.
I fucking love that.
Apologize.
What the
I'm
fuck?
really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister to give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
Don't let it get to you, man.
Yeah, yes. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy.
Shouldn't be
No
too
problem.
bad.
You just have
Shouldn't
to
be too hard.
strong. That's what people respect.
Go to the first vendor. See, I like Spear. It's pretty cool.
So you mentioned your
See, look at that. You look up. Look at that detail in the sky.
Yeah, she
And this is on medium
years ago
graphics.
now. I mean, after we moved
There's
to the
high
States,
and
she
then
tried
there's
to kick that
extreme. I'd
shit
love to see what it
That
looks like
sucks.
on extreme,
She was,
man.
you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country,
Oh,
but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man.
let's get some dragon kick. This makes our punches stronger.
Enjoyed it as much as we did.
Yep.
Increased damage. See?
You gonna tell Winston?
Hey!
You?
Fucking hell, just throw it in someone's stomach there.
When we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss.
I fucking love just walking like, shoving people out of the way. Hey dude. Fuck you. You want DVD? I fucking love that. You want DVD?